Hi there and welcome to another episode of Ask VSA. My name is Peter Vox and I am the Director and Principal Teacher of Vox Singing Academy, which was established in 1993. If we could help you or someone that you know with this singing, we'd be absolutely honoured. Check out the links below for more info. Numerous studios with male and female teachers here in Melbourne, Australia. Also online singing lessons worldwide 7 days a week. And if face-to-face lessons aren't your cup of tea, please check out the Ultimate Online Singing Course. If you like this channel, give it a like, thumbs up, share it with your friends. We also have memberships as well too. Check those out. If you have a question or a comment, please put it in the comments below. Building up a great community here. So thank you for everyone that's watching. Now, today's question is a question that, again, I got asked this again today, and I get asked this numerous times, particularly in social events, if I'm going to parties or weddings or I'm going out and meeting people. People ask me this all the time when I say, oh, look, I'm a singing teacher. They say, can anyone sing? Or they say, I'm absolutely hopeless, I can't sing. And so let's answer the first question. Can anyone sing? If you can speak, you can sing because you're using the same vocal cords. That's all it is. So the chords that I'm using here to speak are the same ones. Let it be, let it be, let it be, oh, let it be. And I'm just speaking again. So as you can hear, they're basically the same thing. But when we sing, we just basically join up words together melodically and make sure we're hitting the right notes so that it sounds good. But it's the same voice that we're using. And a lot of people say, oh, I can't sing, okay? Or I'm hopeless or whatever it is. Now, firstly, you can sing, as I've just explained. If you've got a voice, you can sing. Anyone can improve their singing with practice and with a great teacher. They really can. The number one point why people don't sound good when they're singing is because of pitch. They're not hitting the right notes. Number 2 point is they're singing songs that are out of their range or register. You've got to sing songs that you feel comfortable with. The third point is that you're not singing songs full-bodied. A lot of people, when they start singing, they go, let it be, let it be, let it be. It's like they're singing quietly to themselves. You've got to sing in a full voice. Paul McCartney is singing, let it be, let it be, let it be, oh, let it be. So he's singing it that loud. Now, it's not really super loud, but it's a full voice, as you can hear. So a lot of people go, they sing it really quietly. So they're not going to get the full extent out of their voice. So sing it in a full voice. That's the third point. Number 2, make sure that you're singing songs that you can sing in the sweet part of your voice. If you're having trouble finding that, go around where your speaking is around here. See, I'm speaking around this area, and get songs that are around this area. Let it be, and start singing around the area that you're speaking because you're already in a comfortable area. A lot of people start to strain when they start to go up higher, so don't pick songs that go up too high because you do need technique to sing up higher. But the number one point why people sound bad, pardon me, is pitch. They're not singing the right notes. They're not singing in key. So make sure that when you're learning a song, particularly if you're a beginner or a hobby singer, get a song that is in a good range for you, that's relatively easy. Learn the song 110%. Learn the lyrics and the melody. The melody is na, 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 na. So I'm singing, let it be, let it be. Because if you're not singing the right notes, you will sound crap, okay? So that's the big thing. So you've got to hit the right notes. So learn a song 110%, not just 50%. Learn the lyrics, write them out 110%. Sing along with the artist so that you're using them as a soundboard to sing along with. And you will generally find that if you do those 3 points even as an absolute beginner, you will be able to sing. So everyone can sing, and that's just the way that it is. Another point is some people say, I'm tone deaf. It's very, very rare to get people that are tone deaf. Tone deaf is normally diagnosed when a child is young and they hear things in a different frequency. Your ear canal, just to make it simple, it's like let's just say that it's like let's call it a marble. Let's call it a stone. It's like a stone that sits in basically an area that have got hairs around it. So the stone's in the middle and the hairs are around it. And as the sound comes in, it makes the hairs vibrate and it gets picked up by the stone and the sensories come through. So that's making it very, very simple, okay, about how the hearing works. People that are tone deaf, those hairs are out of line or crushed or they're not working properly. And they hear things in a different frequency. So instead of hearing this, I'm just going to tap this, which is da da da. They would hear it either da 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 or da da da. And normally they would hear a fire engine, which would be woo, woo, and they'll hear it either ooh or woo. They'll hear it in different frequencies. That means they're tone deaf. They hear things in a different way. There are operations and medication that you can take for tone deafness as well too. So it is very rare. Everyone can sing if you try, and also to get training. If you want to sing and you're serious about it, go and get some lessons, because a teacher will be able to fast track you a lot quicker and save you a lot of time and money and heartbreak, and tell you what type of voice you are, whether you're a bass, baritone, tenor. That in the male register, that means low, middle, or high. Bass, low, baritone, middle, tenor, high. Females is contralto, alto, or soprano, low, middle, or high. They'll tell you what you are. They'll also guide you with songs that will pick out songs that will best suit your vocal range and keys that will suit your range. And this is what we do for all of our students at Vox Singing Academy. Then they'll guide you through give you some scales to help you out, whatever those scales may be. So we've got different scales for every sort of skill here at Vox Singing Academy. One of the biggest ones is scales that are moving around, like a 1 3 1 5 1 8 1. So we do jumping scales like that so that we're hitting them precisely. But they're obviously played on the piano as well too, so that they'll be played. We've got articulation scales, A, C, heart, soul, U, because that's really important when you're singing. You just go from one mouth placement to the next. As you can see, my mouth. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me. I'm just going from one vowel mouth placement to the next. Another skill that's really important is volumes. Every single song has got different volumes. When I find myself in times, let it be, let it be. So you can see the B was louder. So we've got scales that, we go through different volumes as well. So I'm not going to show you those because they're a bit of a secret. But they're going to give you some skills that you'll directly apply into the songs, which is going to make you a better singer straight away. So that answers your question. Everyone can sing. If you can speak, you can sing. If you're not deaf, you can sing. Okay, so that's just what it is. Hope that you like this segment. It's actually a video that I've been wanting to do for a long time, because I get asked this question all the time. Just any social occasion that I go to or meeting new people and they find out that I'm a singing teacher, they're always asking me that question or saying that I can't sing. But that answers it right there. Hope you like this Ask VSA segment. If you do, give it a like, thumbs up, click like and subscribe, maybe get a membership. More so, if we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, please check out the links below. We have numerous studios here in Melbourne. Also, online singing lessons worldwide, 7 days. And if face-to-face lessons aren't your thing, check out the Ultimate Online Singing Course. But most importantly, live each day with passion, be good to each other, enjoy your singing, and until the next video, peace and much love. Bye-bye.